Hey guys, T here. We had some new screens put in because the old ones were getting busted up and kind of warped out. They look good, but down below, there's a big space down there. It's always been there, but I'd like to dress it up a little bit and cover it up. Not completely, but I want some airflow to go through, and I want to cover it up to make it look better. So please subscribe if you will and follow along. I'll see you soon. So we want to put a door here. We're going to put a door here. It'll be a sliding door. And that'll allow me to have some entrance in here. I won't go in here much, but at least I can go in here sometime. That's the next part. So this is what we got so far. We put our braces in and put our frame in for the sliding door, and we've stained everything. So I think the next thing is to put the siding up. Here's the door rail for the sliding door. So I'll install a stop over here, a stop over here, so it won't go off the rails. I think it looks pretty good. So if you want to see how I built the door itself, it's a torsion box. You can look at the video I made. It's down in the comments. There's a link there, and you can see how the door was put together. But this project's pretty much done, and I think it looks good. So please subscribe if you will. I'll see you next time.